And action! Hello, this is David again, right here, with one of the tutorials that I have been posting on YouTube. Long time since I posted a tutorial, but I have been kind of tied up with university stuff and all of that shit. But now, once again, right here with another cool solution for all of those you sysadmins and that like to play around with your gizmos and stuff. So today we're going to play around a bit with Tomato once again. What we are going to do this time is to connect our Tomato USB router. In my case, this is an ASUS RTN16 router. So as you can see, this is the about part of my router, which says the version I'm using right now. So let's go back to the overview. I'm going to go very fast through my setup. This router has 160 gig hard drive connected to one of the USB ports. It also has the JFFS partition, in which I am starting all of the configuration in this case for this tutorial, the script that is going to help us connect through a PPTP VPN, which I have already set up on a Windows 2008 R2 server machine, which is virtualized under Xen, and it's right here. I have connected through the remote desktop thing. You have to, on the roles part, you have to add the role, and you have to add the routing and remote access, and then set it up. There is zillion tutorials on how to set up the PPTP VPN server on YouTube, on the web, on the MSDN network, everywhere. You can find that very easily, so I'm not going to go into detail on that. But what we are going to do is we are going to get our hands dirty with the configuration of this script, although not too dirty, but there is some tweaking to do. So I'm gonna show you this link, which is right here. It's going to be down there in the description, so that you can grab this great script. I don't know who's the author, but well, Untitled, something by a guest. Okay, anyway, this is a bash script which will do what it says it does. It will connect, it will create a new instance of the PPTP daemon on your Tomato router, and then it will connect to the specified server, which is going to be right here. For example, I have my username right here, which is the user you will create on your Active Directory users and computers and all of that. Then you will give that user a password, which will be here. Then the VPN domain, then the server name or IP, which is the machine where you have your PPTP server running. And then it does some nifty stuff. It creates the interface, it does some routing stuff, then it changes the DNS servers to match those which your PPTP server will be issuing your clients. It does, as I said earlier, some routing stuff. It brings up the interfaces, it mangles some IP table rules, and then it just restarts the routing, the DNS mask, and the firewall services on your Tomato router. I am going to show you right now how this works. For example, I have my client already connected, as you will see right here, by the PPP5 interface, which is up, and it has some class C IP address. This is the client address. I can certainly ping machines on the other side. Let's go up here so that you can see what I'm typing. 68550. I am pinging now my domain controller, the machine. I'm going to ping the VPN server, which in my case is, if I'm not mistaken, 55. Yes. So those machines are behind the VPN server, and as you can see, routing is also working. I am routing some of the, I have 4 locations connected through these VPNs. As you can see, those are some crazy routing things there, but after you get all of the parameters correct and then you just fill in the details, it will be piece of cake. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. I saved this script on my JFFS partition and I named it PPTP.sh, and you have to make sure to make it executable with the chmod +x PPTP, and that's it. It will be executable. Then you call that script like this, /PPTP. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what this does. You just issue the PPTP.sh, you start the service, it will do some background stuff. You can see that route rules are there again. There you go, there you see. And from this Windows computer, as I am connecting from my router, all of the machines connected through my router will be able to ping and use those machines. I'm gonna ping from this Windows computer. I'm gonna ping one of the machines that is on the VPN side, and there you go. There you see. Now I am going to use the network neighborhood to connect to one of those machines. For example, I'm going to connect to the PDC, the primary domain controller machine, right here, and there you go. I have not been able to show those machines right here. When you just click, in my case I'm using Spanish, this should supposed to say network, but the machines do not show here. I don't know what the hell might be wrong with that, but I just use the window R or the run command, and I just go to the machine. For example, for instance, if I want to go to the name of the machine, I just do this. I'm gonna log in to the backup domain controller of my domain. There is not too much to see there, but I just connected. So you can see that the VPN connects, the routing is working. As you see, I can ping machines from all of the networks that I have attached to the VPN. For example, I am going to try to ping this machine, which is on one of the other locations. So it does work. You can grab the script, as I said, right here, put in your username, the VPN info, your password, which you have to set up right here on the Active Directory, users and computers. You know, I have my domain is spanned through 3 servers. 2 are Windows 2008 R2 machines, virtual machines, and the primary domain controller is a Samba 4 because I'm a Linux junkie. I use Windows because it has some nice and fancy GUI to set up stuff. Okay, so for the sake of clarity, I am going to create a user. I'm gonna name it demo2 user. And let's give him or her, what have you, a password. Oh, come on. And let's see. Okay, there you have another user which will be able to connect through the VPN, and for that matter I'm gonna show you that it's working. And now let's go into the script to change the parameters that we are going to be using. I created demo2 user, and the password is a very secure password. Yeah. This is the information, the domain. Do not forget this line. It's very, very important that you don't leave this line blank. Then don't forget also the address of your VPN server. PPTP the options if you have some special options that you want to pass to the daemon, and do not use the default gateway. In my case, I do not want to use my VPN tunnel as my default gateway, because in this here I have a faster internet pipe, some more speed, so I don't want to be browsing through some location which is farther away and would be slow and stuff. And here there is also a great feature. As you can see, you can add subnets. If in my case I have 4 locations, as I told you earlier, in which I have some other machines, and all those have different address schemes, so I need all of those subnets to be able to reach each other and share resources and all of that. Okay, so now let's check if we can connect, if we can actually connect through this tunnel with the new user we just created. I just have here console, another console. Yes, it seems like it connected. This is the Samber for console. So let's see if we have white smoke. Yes, we do. Okay, so let's ping our domain controller. There you go. Now, as you know, the Windows PPTP server passes some of the information to our clients, so DNS name resolution should work in theory. So let's try that out. W2K8TS, which is the VPN server .co. I'm gonna ping that machine, and there you go. Name resolution is also working. Let's ping another machine just to make sure. There you go. Right. And now let's try the web. If we don't just have internet access, intranet access. There you go. Yahoo is working. And now let's check my IP address. Let's see if this nice service that I found. Just type my IP on your Firefox search box, and you will see your IP, public IP address. So that's just about it. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and whatever questions you may have, please visit us at www.dghvoip.com. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.